What is going on, everybody? My name is Mason from Prank Films. Today we're going to be reviewing the brand new RTX 3080 12GB variant from NVIDIA. Today we're going to be wondering, is it worth the money for 4K gaming? Let's take a deep dive in and let's get right to it. So the RTX 3080 12GB variant uses 12GB of DDR6X memory. Now the reason why this is such a step up increase from the regular 3080 is because it uses 10GB on the original card. But with these two additional extra gigabytes of VRAM, you are going to be paying the price premium. So with this card coming around $1,250, it is a big step up price from the original $600 of the MSRP of the 3080. The difference between these two cards might be negligible, but we are going to go ahead and test it for 4K gaming at max details on everything, and this should really give us what we can expect from this card. Since this card is coming around $1,250, we are going to put it up to the price test, where you're gonna put it up 4K, max details, everything on different games and see what we can expect with this price premium card on gaming performance. So let's go ahead and test that out.
Pile out, go, go, go! Up the beach, kill that Wraith!
Commander, this is Kilo 2-3. Lost my wingman and our only hog. Over.
Roger that, Hocus. Get out of there.
What, more of them?
Dylan, there's a huge dinosaur in the base. I think I sewed it. That thing is chasing me. I'm scared.
Oh no, drop headed your way.
Now, after testing out this 3080, what I noticed was 4K is doable underneath this card. In Halo Infinite, we saw up to 110 to 120 FPS in 4K, while in Dino Stalker, we saw up to 240 frames per second, all the way down to 180 frames per second. So with being able to use HDMI 2.1 on this card, I can confirm that 4K 120 Hz works perfectly well with this graphics card. Now the question you're gonna ask, is it worth the money? So at this point, this card retails around for $1,250. So you're gonna be looking at that higher tier price bracket for a premium card. So for $1,250, you're gonna be looking around the same price range as a 3080 Ti and 3090, with the 3090 being only $200 more. So at that price range, it's a hard card to recommend, but it is a great card if you are looking for a 3080 4K gaming experience. So on that note, if you guys like this video, go ahead and leave a like, comment, and subscribe, and let me know what you guys think in the comments below. Overall, this is a great card, but we are looking at a serious price point at $1,250. So keep that in mind if you're looking out for one. But on that note, I will see you guys later. Have a great rest of your day, and I will see you in the next video. Bye.